Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but not showing icon in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Wi-Fi is connected but you're not showing the icon like here, so let's see how can you easily fix the issues. The very first thing is that you just have to open your settings, try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. And after that you have to go for general and here go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates here. If you find trying to update your software, and after doing that go back, you have to recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to make a force restart your iPhone. Not to do that, you have to quickly press and raise the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and raise the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, just wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts.